Good morning, everybody. Gary Porter here. I'm now running on just one positive 12 volt and one negative 12 volt battery, and I've got all four layers turned on, so all the PC boards on the even side and odd side are running. And what I found was where the LEDs up in here, I had to drill this hole down some so I could get the LEDs down onto the slots a little lower. And the reason why is the pulses I was seeing, where they had some of these pulses were pretty well, how can I say it? They had some wide sections that were occurring, and so what I'm seeing here there's three slots. So what I'm seeing now, I was getting big wide pulses here, and the reason why is because the copper disc down here has a tiny bit of wobble in it, not much, maybe a 64th of an inch, but the LED adjustments on, when I glued them on, weren't perfect. So when that area opens up in the LED, it makes a large on time for the LEDs. And I was blowing fuses because the on time was too long. And what was happening was these fuses up here, I've got them now 10 amp with 3 strands of wire, so they're probably about a 30 amp fuse in there right now. And same thing on the three layer on the other stator board, the drivers down here too. So it's running on 12 volts, and we're there. So now I've just got I could kick it up a notch to whatever. The temperature reading on the FETs is running right around 30, 70, 72 degrees. So it's almost room temperature. There's hardly no heating at all going on here. And that one's 74, 74, 74, 72. Fuses. That's interesting. Anyway, so we're running cool, and so the next step, I'm going to kick it up to 36 volts, and we'll go with 3 batteries on each side, and we'll go from there. But the whole problem with burning up stuff was I was getting pulse widths that were outrageous, and right now these pulses are let me see here, let me stop it. The pulses, it's on 1 millisecond per centimeter, so the pulses are right around 1.2 milliseconds is the width of the pulses. So we're looking good. Anyway, have a great day.